students. Today we'll begin with in a new video we are going to begin pair of linear equations in two variables. So what is the linear equation? That is, the degree of the variable will be 1. Now pair of linear equation, only linear equation in one variable you had studied like this. Ax plus b, you know it, is equal to 0, where a and b are the real numbers and a is not equal to 0 you have studied. Then pair of linear equations in two variables means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b should not be equal to 0 and where all the three abc are real numbers. Now what it is? Pair of linear equations in two variables. That means there are two variables and equations are also two. Hence we name them as a1, b1, c1. Then second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If it is like this, we call them as pair of linear equations in two variables. So in this chapter, by this we have three conditions. Okay. So we take, what we check here is the three conditions in simpler way. I'll just explain, children. If we get a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we say that these equations will have only one solution, children. Only one. That means they intersect. If we draw the graph, if we draw for both the equations graph two straight lines, and those two straight lines somewhere they do intersect at a single point, that means we get x and y solution only one. This will be x value and this will be y value. So that is, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you will have only one solution. Then if we have all the three equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we will have many solutions, infinite number of solutions. That is, the values of x, y and xy will be infinitely many solutions you can take, children. Then the lines, pair of lines you will get is both of them will coincide. That is, one on the other, overlap one on the other. So then if the third condition is, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2, then the solutions, the equations will not have a solution, no solution. You will not get x and y value only, no solution. Then you will get the lines as parallel like this. Wherever you get on the graph, you will get the parallel lines. Then you can say that if they have one solution, they are consistent. If many solutions, then also they are consistent. If there is no solution, you can call it as inconsistent pair of linear equations. This is in a simple way what I told about the pair of linear equations, children. You can represent them, you can study them by, there are so many methods, by substitution method, by elimination method, and also by graphical method, and also cross multiplication method. So many methods are there, children, throughout the chapter. This is the biggest chapter. So we will begin with the first exercise, and also you will have many verbal problems in this chapter. That also first you have to write all the things and then you need to solve. We will begin with the first exercise today, that is exercise 3.1. Read the question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So, algebraically we are going to solve, children, now. Aftab tells his daughter is there. So, first what we will take, let question number 1, exercise 3.1, let the present age of Aftab be x, and let the present age of his daughter be y. His daughter we are going to take as 1. Then what he tells 7 years ago. So 7 years ago. So Aftab was 7 times as old as she. That means 7 years ago Aftab will be x minus 7. Daughter will be y minus 7. Then that time he tells that Aftab was 7 times daughter. It's like this, children. If you write like this, Aftab x minus 7, 7 into y minus 7. So multiply this, x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. I'll transpose this and make it in the form of pair of linear equation. X minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7 will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is our equation 1, students. Minus 49 plus 7 is minus 42. This is the equation 1. Next, 7 years ago. That finished now. Next is 3 years from now. I am going to just change this only. 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. That time after will be x plus 3 because we have taken the present age. After 3 years means he will be x plus 3. Daughter will be y plus 3. That time what is the condition? Just we will see now. The condition is after 3 years I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Again it is 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3. So this becomes now x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 3 3s are 9. X minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. X minus 3y is equal to 6. This is your equation 2, students. We are going to solve the equations 1 and 2. Till now we have not learnt any methods. Okay, but you know it earlier. So we are going to solve it now. Equation 1 is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is equation 1. Then the equation 2 is x minus 3y is equal to 6. You can go for substitution. Usually we will be knowing that. So elimination, it may be difficult for you now. So I am going to take now x is equal to 6 plus 3y. In place of x, we are going to substitute the value of x, that is 6 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So 6 3y minus plus 3y minus 7y becomes minus 4y is equal to minus 42 minus 6. Minus 4y is equal to minus 48. So both the sides minus minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 48 by 4, that is 12. So y is equal to 12. That means that present age of daughter is 12. Then substitute the y value here. You will get x value 6 plus 3 into 12. So 6 plus 36. 36 plus 6 is 42, children. The present age is 12 and 42. Just will verify it. 7 years back the daughter was 5. 7 years back the Aftab was 35. 5 sevens are 35. He was 7 times. So this is correct. After 3 years she will be 15 and he will be 45. So 15 threes are 45. He will be 3 times. So that is how we proved and we got it the correct answer, children. Do subscribe my channel and be watching the videos. Thank you.